you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is the second part video of this whole series where I'm going to be helping you get information on starting a clothing brand. Today, let me not even waste any more of your time. We're going to start with a company that I found. It took a while, but I found it, and it is called it is called Init Apparel. Init Apparel. They do printing, DTG, direct to garment printing. They do screen printing. They do custom clothings. They do ready to print clothing, garments, hoodies, t-shirts, sweatpants, shorts. They pretty much do all of that. If you also head to my Instagram page, it's going to be down below in the description. You can also check out t-shirts that I've printed using them. I'm also going to put down the links to their Instagram page account where they pretty much just print t-shirts and post them, just to show people the kind of quality that they got on there. Their delivery time, it's all right, compared to if you were getting stuff from out of the country, importing stuff, that would pretty much take a long time. So they only take 7 days to fulfill your order. So if you're just starting out, you're a small brand, you don't have that much money to order in bulk, a 7-day fulfillment time it's pretty much okay. You can tell your customers that it's going to take 7 days for them to get a t-shirt if they order it, and I'm pretty sure most of them will be cool with waiting for your for their t-shirts. And when it comes to ordering, it's pretty much simple. You just contact them on their WhatsApp or email. You also have to have some type of graphic design skill, because if you're going to get your designs printed, you need to have them in PNG. That means that your designs shouldn't have some type of weird background that is not supposed to be in your designs. So it's not that hard. Photoshop, going there and learning a little bit about this stuff, it shouldn't be that hard. It shouldn't be. Also, they also offer printing labels. They actually print them, and it's actually free, guys. It's actually free. They also offer free stitching for your labels. If you have labels, you send them to them. They can do that for free. And talking about labels, I also use a company that I found snooping around Google, just trying to see, because I had nobody who was telling me any of this stuff, so I had to just do it on my own. So yeah, I found a company. It's called Wunderlabel. As you can see right here, I got this size. Check that right now. Yeah, I ordered these. These are size labels. But if you're using Init Apparel to print your stuff, you don't necessarily need this, because Init Apparel actually offers t-shirts that already have this stuff. But sometimes I do work. Sometimes I do order things that do not have this, from other manufacturers. But their quality is not even as that good compared to Init Apparel, so I suggest to use Init Apparel. They also offer this. I think I spoke about this on the last video. Hang tags. See, hang tags. See this. You got a little thank you message. Behind there. Yeah, just you're just trying to get your brand to be legit. You want it to look good. So we also have oh yeah, this thing is, see that, let me just yeah, this, see this, yeah. So you can get that stitched right on your t-shirts. Actually, these are the most affordable sizes you can get in at Wunderlabel. If you're trying to go bigger than this, the prices actually do go bigger. So I suggest, if you're just starting out, just use this ones. They look good, professional. They're just going to put your brand out there and make it look good. You also gotta have things like what is this stuff? Oh yeah, the hang tags also come with these little strings that you put on your clothing, so that it can hang out when you send it to your customers. So yeah, man, it can be pretty dope. Ordering with them is pretty simple. Oh, and I forgot to mention, when it comes to Init Apparel, if you're ordering something and you're within Gauteng, the courier price is only 115. So I'm not sure about how much they charge if you are actually outside of Gauteng, but I think it won't be that bad compared to actually trying to get something from out of the country. So yeah, man, you guys should actually go out there, and check these companies out. They are pretty dope. When it comes to packaging, I actually haven't started with testing out companies that actually do packaging, but I do actually have two companies that I know of, that offer some good packaging that I've seen. I haven't actually bought ordered something there, so I can actually tell you 10 out of 10 how their products are. But I actually plan on reviewing one that is actually called Packaging Palace. I don't know if you heard it, if you're in South Africa and you've actually been trying to research all this stuff when it comes to growing a brand and making it look legit. But yeah, I actually plan on ordering some some t-shirt packages, some boxes, kind of like pizza size, but actually pretty good size for a t-shirt. I actually plan on ordering those at Packaging Palace. I don't know, man, if I don't know if it actually goes to plan. Maybe I could actually even go there to them and actually check out how things work there and everything like that. With that said, guys, do not forget to like this video and smash that subscribe button, guys, so that I can keep giving you guys quality content, man, so that I can keep giving you guys all this information that you want, bro, all this information. Also talking about all this packaging and everything like that, on my next video I'm actually going to be talking about design, where to actually get your designs from. If you're not really good with this whole illustration Photoshop thing, is where to actually get designs that you're not going to get in trouble for if you print them commercially, because you have to know that there are certain designs where you have to have a commercial license for you to actually be allowed to print them on a commercial scale. So I have a website that I found snooping around, where you can actually get designs where you don't actually need a commercial license for you to start printing out this whole thing. Yeah, man, and it's pretty much simple to design all those things, because one thing you have to know is that you don't necessarily have to copy. You just have to be inspired by designs you find. One place I suggest for you to get designs for you to get inspired is actually Pinterest. Yeah, they actually have some dope as pictures. When it comes to me, I'm into that whole vintage vibe kind of t-shirts, so I go there looking for t-shirts for me to get inspired from. Hopefully, in the future I'll actually show you two pictures. One picture is the one that is a t-shirt that I designed, and the other picture is the design that I was inspired from, just to kind of show you that you don't necessarily have to copy. You just have to be inspired. You actually have to make a few changes that you feel should actually be there for your own brand, for the kind of image that you want for your own brand. Yeah, man, peace.